As a researcher who has been one of the inventors of topology optimization, I've been in that field for 25 years. And in the beginning, people were sort of laughing a little bit and saying, hey, you came up with this fantastic structure there, but nobody knows how to manufacture it. So what are you going to do there? And I said, well, let's see. With time, this will come. And so it has sort of steadily been increasing this field all the time here for 25 years. But now recently, in the last few years, it has really increased the speed of development with additive manufacturing and combining it with topology optimization. So for me, it's really fantastic to see how many industries that are using it. So essentially, additive manufacturing offers ultimate freedom for manufacturing, but they don't know how to come up with these optimal parts. And on the other hand, topology optimization uses this ultimate freedom to come up with parts that are optimized for specific load cases and extreme situations. And so topology optimization provides the designs to additive manufacturing, and additive manufacturing makes it possible to realize the designs coming from topology optimization. So that is an ideal marriage. So it's an interesting research area that still has so many possibilities and so many open ends. So lots of interesting research and development to be done there. And certainly the last sentence has not been said in that aspect yet.